Is your 2.4 GHz band on your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router not working correctly? You're not alone. Many users report issues like dropped connections and slow speeds due to interference. The 2.4 GHz band, while offering better range, is more susceptible to interference from other devices like microwaves and neighboring networks. Firmware updates from Spectrum have improved this, but manual tweaks are often necessary. First, understand that the Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router uses the 2.4 GHz band, which can theoretically reach speeds up to 574 megabits per sec, but often performs slower due to interference. Identify potential sources of interference. Are there microwaves, cordless phones, or other routers nearby? Use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your smartphone to visualize channel congestion in your area. High congestion is a common cause of poor 2.4 GHz performance. The most effective solutions involve splitting your SSIDs and manually adjusting the 2.4 GHz channel. Splitting SSIDs means creating separate network names for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, such as Spectrum Home 2.4 and Spectrum Home 5. This allows you to force devices to connect to the appropriate band. To do this, access your router's admin panel by typing 192.168.1.1 into your browser. Log in using your credentials, often admin and your router's serial number, which is located on the router itself. Navigate to the wireless settings. Look for options to enable band separation or split SSIDs. Assign different names to the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Next, adjust the 2.4 GHz channel. Within the wireless settings, find the channel selection option for the 2.4 GHz band. The best channels to use are 1, 6, and 11 because they are non-overlapping, minimizing interference. You can either manually select one of these channels or set it to auto. However, auto sometimes defaults to suboptimal choices, so manually choosing a channel is often better. After making these changes, reboot your router and test your 2.4 GHz connection.